No, it's just here for display.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
We're new here, so.
Oh, okay. Are y'all moving here? Or y'all
On our side of it.
Oh, cool. Okay.
So we didn't know. I was like, oh, looks like it's going to be a coffee shop or something.
No. This used to be across the street. They used to have it right off the highway.
Oh, really?
But there's a model railroad club right here downtown that I'm a part of. So they kind of moved it over here when the track is front, and then they built this as a platform for us to hang out with and stuff.
That's cool. Does that tell you when the trains are coming?
Yeah, I can listen in to what they're saying and stuff.
That's
It's a
cool.
lot of fun.
My son is super into trains. My other son.
Well, bring him over here on a Saturday, anytime from 1 o'clock to anytime at night, we're over there. Yeah, well, like here, but also right across the street, you'll see like the railroad club inside. You know, you can't miss it. There's a ton of railroad club there.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome.